What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. I'm doing a song for my Country Heart series today. I haven't done a Creedence Clearwater Revival song in a long time, but I remember, 6 months ago, whenever it was that I did the last one, a couple of you were like, Don, you can always do a CCR song, even though it's not traditional country, not marketed as country. All of us, who doesn't love CCR, you know? And not Cross Canadian Ragweed, they're also CCR, but this is the original CCR. Have you ever seen the rain? Haven't heard this song in a long time, but I've done 2 or 3 of CCR songs, and John Fogerty is he's one of those voices that you know instantly who you're listening to when you hear him sing. He could be singing with anybody. He could be singing with an Indian band, from India, and you'd be like, that's John Fogerty. So, Who'll Stop the Rain for my Country Heart series. It'll go in the Country Heart playlist. That bass draws you right in.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water.
I love that line.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day.
I have.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time.
Wow.
Till forever home it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know,
Oregon.
have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yeah.
He's got-
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day.
These headphones make a monster difference. Just taking time to listen to a song, it's amazing what listening will do for a human being. But this is the first time he's really got me thinking. And I've heard this song bunches of times in my life, but I've seen it raining on a sunny day, and then sometimes you'll see a rainbow or what have you. Weather does funny things. But that one line, and this is the first time it's really got me thinking, though. It was backwards. It's like the sun is cold and the rain is warm or something, and that's sort of like backwards of how we conceptualize it. But maybe on a sunny day when it is raining, you get like those showers or something, and the sun is still up there. There's like blue sky, but a little bit of rain coming down. It does feel warm, What do you say? The instrumentation in there was just brilliant. Even bringing in the organ. The organ is almost always reminiscent of sort of like solemnity or like church, like solemn music in church. But it just sort of has this different effect of just sort of like drawing you in a little deeper, either leaning forward or leaning back and closing your eyes and like where are we going with this? But that bass line in there also sort of penetrated it and brought you to life at certain moments. And then John's voice just keeps you in the whole time. I mean, anytime he sings, I'm just locked in. So I'm not rating that. I don't rate the Country Heart series, guys. That was just for you. It's for me. And so leave your comments. Yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in another video. Keep rocking the country and country hearts.